Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we will talk about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a beautiful and creative art that people have loved for many years. It is a simple way to decorate clothes, pillow covers, tablecloths, bags and many other things using colorful thread and needles. Today let's talk about some lovely hand embroidery designs and why so much many people enjoy this relaxing hobby. One of the best things about hand embroidery is that anyone can learn it. You do not need expensive tools or machines. All you need is fabric, embroidery thread, a needle and a little practice. Many beginners start with simple flower patterns because flowers are easy and look beautiful on almost everything. Floral embroidery designs are always popular. Roses, sunflowers, daisies, and small leaves can make painful fabric look elegant and colorful. Some people like bright colors while others prefer soft pastel shades for a calm and classy look. Floral embroidery looks wonderful on dresses, scarves, cushion covers, and even daman jackets. Another lovely idea is traditional embroidery patterns. Different countries have their own special embroidery style. Simple line embroidery is becoming trendy these days. In this style, artists use black or single color thread to create faces, plants, or abstract art with clean line. This modern embroidery style looks stylish and minimal. Many people use it to decorate wall art or tote bags. Hand embroidery is also a wonderful way to personalize gifts. You can embroider someone's name or favorite flowers or handkerchiefs, baby clothes or pillow covers. Hand embroidery gifts feel more special because they are made with love and care. For beginners, there are some easy stitches to learn. First, the running stitch is one of the simplest stitches and is perfect for outline. The back stitch is great for writing names or drawing patterns. Satin stitch helps fill shapes with smooth color, while chain stitch creates pretty decorative lines. Learning these basic stitches can help you create many beautiful embroidery designs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.